Okay, so we're going to look at converting between the metric system using our kind of handy guide that we have as a way to help us out. So this is just the same one that I've shared with you on Google Docs, and so we're going to use that to figure out these first 6 problems. Alright, so we have 3 meters and that equals something centimeters. So I look up at my chart, I see where it says meter. Okay, so we're starting kind of at the unit part, which is just meter. And I'm going to have to transfer that to centimeters. So I'm going to go from meter, okay, and I'm going to look for centi. Kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, okay. So I'm going to go 2 spots to the right, okay. So that means that I'm going to start with 3 and go 2 spots to the right. So 3 meters equals 300 centimeters. You can also do that by 3 times, we're going 2 stops to the right, that would be 100 equals 300. Oops. Okay. Alright, next one, 40 liters. I'll look for the unit. Okay, so here I say liter. Alright, so again, this is, we start in the middle if it's just a liter, a gram, or a meter. Okay, so that's 40. And then we are going to deca. So I'm going to start over here, deca. Okay, so it's 1 to the left. Okay, so we're starting with liter, and then we're ending with decaliter. So we're going 1 to the left. So if we have 40, and my decimal is here, I'm going 1 to the left, so that gives me 4 decameters. If I want to think about that as division, I have 40, I'm going 1 to the left, so that would be like dividing it by 10. 40 divided by 10 would equal 4. Okay, let's look at another one, 600 milligrams. Well, this time we're not starting with just the unit, we have a prefix on here, we have milli. So I have kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. Alright, so here's where I'm going to start. I should have erased that, sorry. Let's see if I can erase that now. Hope that erases everything. Okay, well, we'll leave that there. So if we start at milli, here's milli. Right? Okay, milli. And I'm going to grams. So I'm starting with milli, and I'm going 1 to centi, 2 to deci, 3 to grams to the unit. Okay, so that means I'm moving 3 places to the left. So since I'm starting with 600, the decimal's here, and I'm going 3 to the left. So our answer would be 6/10 of a gram. If we want to look at that as an equation, 600 is what we're starting with. We're moving 3 to the left, so that's division. And 3 to the left would be dividing it by 1,000. So that would give us 0.6 or 6/10. Okay, next one. 6/10. I forgot to erase it again. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna have to. We'll start switching colors here. Alright, so we have 5 kilometers, and we're going to hectometers. So again, we need to look for kilo. Kilo's here. Okay, I'm going to hecto, which is right next door. So I'm going to the right 1. So if I have 5 and I have the decimal point here, we're going to the right once. So that'll leave me with 50. Okay, or that would be 5 times, since we're going to the right, 10, 1 spot equals 50. Okay, now we have 70 centimeters, and we're going to go to meters. So again, I look for centi, kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi. So here, we're going to start here. And we're going to meters. So 1, 2 to the left. So again, we have 70 centimeters. Decimal point 1, 2 to the left. So that would be 0.7 or 7/10 of a meter. And if we start with 70 and we're going to the left, so we're dividing and we're going 2 spots, that would be 100 equals 0.7. And finally, we have deciliters, 900 deci, kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci. So I'm starting here. I'm going to deca, 1 to unit, another one to deca, so that's 2 spots. So I have 900 with the decimal point here, going 2 over, leaving me with 9 decaliters. Or we have 900 moving over 2 spots equals 9. Okay, if you have any questions, please reply to this post, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.